Hey y'all already see what time it is. Let's get into this Dubai white chocolate strawberry bowl at home. I tried this at a restaurant, y'all. It was $17, extremely overpriced, and it wasn't that good. So I just had to make it better at home. At first, I'm gonna wash off my strawberries with baking soda and vinegar. Then we're gonna get into this Kataifi dough. If I'm gonna make something, I gotta do it right. So I had to search high and low for this dough right here. I found it at a Middle Eastern market. And then I'm just gonna slice it up like I see in all the videos. Okay, didn't really know what I was doing, but hey, I was just following the instructions that I saw before. Next, we're gonna put this in a pan with melted butter. I didn't really use that much, so you could not really see the butter there, but you can always use more to your liking. Then I just wanted to do this progression video where you can see it go from pale to golden. You want it to get golden and crispy, and that's how you know it's done. Make sure you stir it very frequently so it doesn't burn. Next, we're gonna add this pistachio butter. Y'all, I had to search high and low for this as well because y'all was selling it out. Anyway, next we're going with this tahini, which I didn't use a lot because I didn't know what it tasted like. But it turned out alright. You can always use more. I also went in and added a homemade pistachio paste that I made at home to add more pistachio flavor. Next, we're going to melt our chocolate. You can use the microwave, but I'm going to use the double boiler method here, and I'm going to use this no sugar added white chocolate just to give options to those who may be watching your sugar levels, or you have loved ones who may watch their sugar levels and you want to make something delicious for them. There are still options out there. I loved working with this chocolate. The only thing I will say is that it burned a little fast, so I took it off the heat so that the heat from the water could continue to melt it without being too hot. Next, we're gonna assemble the bowl. So you could use a cup on this as well, but we were at home, so it was easier to use a bowl. And I just started building it the way that I liked. So I'm using white chocolate here because my husband does prefer white chocolate over dark chocolate or milk chocolate, and so I just also want to give options to y'all just to see, like, you can think outside the box and do whatever you like. We originally tried this with milk chocolate and I absolutely loved it, but I wanted to do something different at home, and I just like showing y'all different things too, to show you that you can do whatever you like and it can still be bomb. Okay, the only thing I would do differently here is add a little bit more pistachio butter just to add more pistachio flavor. But when I tell y'all this was 10 out of 10, chef's kiss, I highly recommend making this at home.